Hi guys, today I'm going to explain the questions and answers of the lesson Kartus. It's written by Habib Tanvir, taken from grade 10 textbook. So we'll start off with the Kathin Shabd or the difficult words and their meanings. Khema, it means data or in English it's tent. Afsane, कहानियां, stories. कारनामे, ऐसे काम जो याद रहें. Such deeds which you can't forget, you remember them. पैदाइश जन्म और बर्थ. तख्त सिंहासन और थ्रोन. मसलेहत रहस्य और सीक्रेट. ऐश पसंद. भोग विलास पसंद करने वाला, समवन हु लाइक्स लग्जरीज. जांबाज जान की बाजी लगाने वाला, वन हु इज रेडी टू सैक्रिफाइस हिज लाइफ, ब्रेव पर्सन. दम खम शक्ति और दृढ़ता, स्ट्रेंथ एंड डिटर्मिनेशन. जाति तौर पर, इट मीन्स व्यक्तिगत रूप से और पर्सनली. वजीफा परवरिश के लिए दी जाने वाली राशि, the amount which is paid as a stipend. Like before, when the British, they were ruling India, when they removed some king from his post, they would give him some money for his maintenance. That is what is wazifa. Mukarrar means तय करना or to decide. तलब किया means याद किया or to remember. हुक्मरा शासक और रूलर. गर्द धूल और डस्ट. काफिला एक क्षेत्र से दूसरे क्षेत्र में जाने वाले यात्रियों का समूह. In English we call it caravan. They are moving from one place to another, these travelers in a group. So that is kafila or caravan. Shubhe, sandeha, that means doubt. दीवार हमगोश दारद, दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. Even the walls have ears, which means that, like, we should speak so carefully that nobody should hear. लाभ लश्कर, सेना का बड़ा समूह और युद्ध सामग्री. It's a large group of the, army and war material. Yuddha means war, samagri means material. कारतूस पीतल और दफ्ती आदि की एक नली जिसमें गोली तथा बारूद भरी होती है. It is either made up of copper or some other metal. It looks somewhat like this, children, कारतूस. Or inside that, there'll be a medicine which is like, acts like a bomb. Now, let's start with the question answers. प्रश्न 1, वजीर अली के अफसाने सुनकर कर्नल को रॉबिन हुड की याद क्यों आ जाती थी? When Colonel, he used to listen to the stories of Wazir Ali, he used to remember Robin Hood. Why? I hope, children, all of you have read about Robin Hood and his stories. So he always used to remember Robin Hood. Why? Afsane means stories. Yaad ana means to remember. वजीर अली रॉबिन हुड की तरह साहसी, हिम्मत वाला और बहादुर था. Now, Wazir Ali, just like Robin Hood, he was very brave, courageous, and heroic. He was like a hero. Sahasi means brave, himmat wala, courageous, bahadur, we can call it as heroic. वह भी रॉबिन हुड की तरह किसी को भी चकमा देकर भाग जाता था. He also, just like Robin Hood, would deceive anyone and run away. चकमा देना means to deceive. वह अंग्रेजी सरकार की पकड़ में नहीं आ रहा था. He was not, the English government or the British government was not able to catch him. पकड़ में नहीं आना means they were not able to catch him. कंपनी के वकील को उसने मार डाला था. And he had killed company's lawyer. Here वकील means lawyer. उसकी बहादुरी के अफसाने सुनकर ही कर्नल को रॉबिन हुड की याद आती थी. When he would listen to such brave stories of Wazir Ali, he would think of Robin Hood. प्रश्न 2, सआदत अली कौन था? हु वॉज सआदत अली? उसने वजीर अली की पैदाइश को कि अपनी मौत क्यों समझा? Now, why did he consider the birth of Wazir Ali as his death? वजीर अली की पैदाइश means birth, मौत means death. सआदत अली वजीर अली का चाचा और नवाब आसिफ उदौला का भाई था. आसिफ उदौला. Now, Sahadat Ali, he was the brother of Nawab Asif Udaula and he was the uncle of Wazir Ali. Now, in the beginning, when Nawab Asif Udaula, he did not have any children, so there was chance for Sahadat Ali to become the king after Asif Udaula. जब तक आसिफ उदौला के कोई संतान नहीं थी, सआदत अली की नवाब बनने की पूरी संभावना थी. So till the time Asif Udaula did not have any children, there was all the possibility that his brother Saadat Ali would become the king. He would be the heir. Santan here means children. Children. Nawab king, संभावना means possibility. इसलिए उसे वजीर अली की पैदाइश उसकी मौत लगी. दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई ही कंसिडर्ड वजीर अलीज बर्थ एज हिज डेथ. सआदत अली को अवध के तख्त पर बिठाने के पीछे कर्नल का क्या मकसद था? नो, व्हाट वाज कर्नल्स पर्पस ऑफ मेकिंग सआदत अली सिट ऑन द थ्रोन ऑफ अवध? हियर अवध इज अ प्लेस which Nawab Asif Uddaula was ruling, and it was his brother Saadat Ali, and the British made him the king. Now, what was the purpose behind that? Maqsad means purpose. Saadat Ali आराम पसंद अंग्रेजी का पिट्ठू था. Pittu means, in a sense, puppet who keeps doing whatever the British tells them. Saadat Ali, he was, person who would love luxury, and he kept on, he was a person who would support the British a lot. He was like a puppet for the British. अंग्रेज कर्नल को उसे तख्त पर बिठाने का मकसद अवध की धन संपत्ति पर अधिकार करना था. Now, the British colonel, he made him sit on the throne of Awadh so that he could have a control over the property or the entire empire of Awadh. Takht means throne, maqsad means purpose, dhan sampati means all its property, material, money and property. Adhikar karna tha, to have a right over all that. उसने अंग्रेजों को आधी संपत्ति और 10 लाख रुपए दिए. Not only that, in order to make him sit on the throne of Awadh, Saadat Ali paid 10 lakhs rupees, which was a very big amount in those, periods, and he gave half his property to the British. इस तरह सआदत अली को गद्दी पर बैठने से उन्हें लाभ ही लाभ था. गद्दी means throne, लाभ ही लाभ means full benefits. This way, by making Saadat Ali sit on the throne, they just only had benefits. Next question number 4. कंपनी के वकील का कत्ल करने के बाद वजीर अली ने अपनी हिफाजत कैसे की? After killing the lawyer of the British company, how did he protect himself? Wazir Ali. Qatl karne ke baad means after killing him. Hifazat means protect oneself. कंपनी के वकील की हत्या करने के बाद वजीर अली आजमगढ़ भाग गया और वहां के नवाब ने उसकी सहायता की और उसे सुरक्षित घाघरा पहुंचा दिया. After killing the British company's lawyer, Wazir Ali, he ran away to Ajamgarh. There, the Nawab of Ajamgarh helped him and he safely helped him reach the place called Ghagra. तब से वह वहां के जंगलों में रहने लगा. From then onwards, Wazir Ali started staying in the forests of Ghagra. प्रश्न 5, सवार के जाने के बाद कर्नल क्यों हक्का बक्का रह गया? After the rider left, why was the colonel left हक्का बक्का और astonished, shocked? Children, hakka bakka reh jana is a muhavra. This you may get in your exam. Its meaning in English is to be shocked, and in Hindi, if you say आश्चर्यचकित रह jana. So after the rider left, why was the colonel left? Shocked. बड़ी चतुराई से वजीर अली कारतूस लेने कर्नल के खेमे में सवार बनकर आया था. कारतूस, as I told you, these are those bullets which are used to bomb a place. Khema means tent, Sawar means rider. In order to get the cartouche from the colonel, Wazir Ali very smartly, very cleverly, he came to the colonel's tent as a rider. जाते समय कर्नल ने नाम पूछा तो उसने वजीर अली बताया. While he was leaving the tent, when the colonel asked him his name, he told that his name is Wazir Ali. उसे सामने देखकर कर्नल हक्का बक्का रह गया. By, when he saw that Wazir Ali was in front of him, he was shocked. Now these answers you have to give in 50 to 60 words, children. लेफ्टिनेंट को ऐसा क्यों लगा कि कंपनी के खिलाफ सारे हिंदुस्तान में एक लहर दौड़ गई है? Now, why did the lieutenant feel that against the company in the entire Hindustan, a wave was running? Means a wave was flowing in the entire country against the company. Company के खिलाफ means against the company. लहर दौड़ गई है means a wave was running. लेफ्टिनेंट को जब कर्नल ने बताया कि कंपनी के खिलाफ केवल वजीर अली ही नहीं बल्कि दक्षिण में टीपू सुल्तान, बंगाल में नवाब का भाई शमसुद्दौला भी है. When the colonel told the lieutenant that against the company, it was not only that Wazir Ali was against the company, but even in the south, Tipu Sultan, and in Bengal, Nawab's brother Shamsuddaulah was also against the company. They were all working against, kicking them out of India. Khilaf means against. Dakshin means in South India. Tipu Sultan, in Bengal में नवाब का भाई, नवाब्स ब्रदर. इन्होंने अफगानिस्तान के बादशाह शाही जमा को आक्रमण के लिए निमंत्रण दिया है. And the colonel told the lieutenant that these people have invited the king of Afghanistan, Shahi Zama, to invade India, to attack on India, so that they could kick the British out of India. आक्रमण के लिए means to attack. निमंत्रण दिया है means they have invited. यह सब देखकर लेफ्टिनेंट को आभास हुआ कि कंपनी के खिलाफ पूरे हिंदुस्तान में लहर दौड़ गई है. After seeing all this, the lieutenant felt that in entire India, a wave is running against the company. वजीर अली ने कंपनी के वकील का कत्ल क्यों किया? Why did वजीर अली kill the company's lawyer? वजीर अली को उसके नवाबी पद से हटा दिया गया और बनारस भेज दिया गया. Now Wazir Ali, he was removed from his king's position and he was sent to Banaras by the British. Nawabi pad means position, Nawabi means kingly position. बनारस इज अ प्लेस. फिर कलकत्ता बुलाया तो वजीर अली ने कंपनी के वकील जो कि बनारस में रहता था उससे शिकायत की, परंतु उसने शिकायत सुनने की जगह खरी खोटी सुनाई. Now, after he was sent to Banaras, again he was called back to Calcutta, today also known as Calcutta. At that time, Wazir Ali, he went to the company's lawyer and complained to him. And this lawyer, he was staying in Banaras. But the lawyer, instead of listening to his complaint, he started orally abusing Wazir Ali. Shikayat means complain. खरी खोटी सुनाई means he orally abused him. इस पर वजीर अली को गुस्सा आ गया और उसने वकील का कत्ल कर दिया. At this, वजीर अली got very angry and he killed the lawyer. गुस्सा means anger. सवार ने कर्नल से कारतूस कैसे हासिल किए? उत्तर, सवार वजीर अली अकेला ही घोड़े पर सवार होकर अंग्रेजों के खेमे में पहुंच गया और कर्नल को दिखाया कि वह भी वजीर अली के खिलाफ है. Now the rider Wazir Ali, all alone, riding a horse, he reached the tent of the British and showed the colonel that as if he was also against Wazir Ali. It was Wazir Ali himself, but he acted as if he's a person who is against Wazir Ali. Here, ghoda means horse. घोड़े पर सवार होके means by riding a horse. Khema means tent. खिलाफ है means he is also against वजीर अली. उसने कर्नल से अकेले में मिलने के लिए कहा. Now he said that he wants to meet the colonel alone. अकेले में means alone. कर्नल मान गया और वजीर अली के 10 कारतूस मांगने पर उसने दे दिए. Now when the colonel knew that he is against Wazir Ali and he was asking for कारतूस from the colonel, he gave him 10 कारतूस to that person, horse rider. कर्नल मान गया means he agreed. इस तरह सवार ने कर्नल से कारतूस हासिल किए. This is how the horse rider got कारतूस from the colonel. प्रश्न 4. वजीर अली एक जांबाज सिपाही था. कैसे? स्पष्ट कीजिए. वजीर अली was a very brave soldier. Clarify how. जांबाज means brave and सिपाही means soldier. वजीर अली को अंग्रेजों ने अवध के तख्ते से हटा दिया, पर उसने हिम्मत नहीं हारी. Now, वजीर अली, he was removed from the throne of Awadh by the British, but he did not accept defeat. Now, children, हिम्मत नहीं हारी, it's a मुहावरा which means हार नहीं मानना or not to accept defeat. This you may get in your exam, so please make a note of it. वजीफे की रकम में मुश्किल डालने वाले कंपनी के वकील की भी हत्या कर दी. Now I told you वजीफा means a stipend, the amount of stipend when the company's lawyer he created some problem with that, he killed the lawyer. So वजीफे की रकम means the amount of the stipend. मुश्किल डालने वाले means who was creating problem with that. So he killed that वकील और lawyer also. अंग्रेजों को महीनों दौड़ाता रहा, परंतु फिर भी हाथ नहीं आया. Now he made the British run after him or chase him for months, but he never could they catch him. महीनों means for months. दौड़ाता रहा means he kept on making them chase him. अंग्रेजों के खेमे में अकेले ही पहुंच गया, कारतूस भी ले आया और अपना सही नाम भी बता गया. He went to the British tent all alone, got कारतूस from there, and he even told his actual name to them. From this all we come to know that he was a जांबाज सिपाही. इस तरह वह एक जांबाज सिपाही था. Definitely he was such a brave soldier. निबंधात्मक प्रश्न means in the essay form you'll have to give a little bit long answers. वजीर अली कौन था? Who was वजीर अली? उसके चरित्र की क्या विशेषताएं हैं? What are the specialities of his character? चरित्र means character, विशेषताएं means specialities. अपने शब्दों में सोदाहरण स्पष्ट कीजिए. In your own words, सोदाहरण means with example, clarify it. Answer. वजीर अली एक जांबाज सिपाही था. He was a brave soldier. इस प्रकार जो अंग्रेजों की ब्रिटिश कंपनी की सैनिक छावनी में प्रवेश कर कर्नल से कारतूस प्राप्त कर सकता है, वह साधारण व्यक्ति या सिपाही नहीं हो सकता. This way, a single person who has the capacity or the braveness to enter the British camp or the cantonment and get Cartouche from the colonel himself, he cannot be an ordinary person or an ordinary soldier. Chavni mein pravesh kar means Sainik Chavni here refers to army cantonment that are where they have set up their tents. Sadharan Vyakti means ordinary person या साधारण सिपाही means ordinary soldier. वजीर अली ने एक जांबाज सिपाही की तरह प्राणों की बाजी लगाकर कारतूस हासिल किए. Wazir Ali, just like a very brave soldier, he, kept his life at risk and got Cartouche from the British colonel. Prano ki bazi lagana, again, this is also a muhavra, children, which means jaan jokhim par lagana, means to take risk with one's life. उसका यह कार्य उसे एक जांबाज सिपाही सिद्ध करता है और हम वजीर अली को जांबाज सिपाही कह सकते हैं. Now from these we can make out that he was a brave soldier and we can call him a brave soldier. सिद्ध करता है means it proves that he was a brave soldier. लेफ्टिनेंट को ऐसा क्यों लगा कि कंपनी के खिलाफ सारे हिंदुस्तान में एक लहर दौड़ गई है? Now why this is a repetition of the question but the answer is a bit different, so I'm just explaining it once again, children. Why did the lieutenant feel that against the company, the entire India, there was a wave? कारतूस पाठ के आधार पर स्पष्ट कीजिए. Based on the कारतूस lesson, clarify this. लेफ्टिनेंट को ऐसा इसलिए लगा कि कंपनी के खिलाफ सारे हिंदुस्तान में एक लहर दौड़ गई है क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की जनता कंपनी के विरोध में आ गई थी. वह वजीर अली जैसे जांबाज योद्धाओं की तरफदारी कर उनका साथ दे रही थी. Now the lieutenant felt that in the entire Hindustan, a wave has started against the company because the people of India, they started opposing the company. They came to know how they were being treated. The British was treating them in such a bad way. So they were all against the British company. And they started supporting Jambaz means brave, Yodha means warriors like Wazir Ali. So this is what made him feel that, okay, the wave against the British company has spread throughout India. गांधी जी जैसे नेताओं के आह्वान पर भारतीय जनता सत्याग्रह आंदोलनों में हिस्सा लेकर कंपनी के खिलाफ बगावत पर उतर आई थी. Now leaders like Gandhi ji, they were calling out to people and the Indian citizens, they were they started becoming against the company. They started participating in satyagraha and movements, big movements, and they participated in that, and thus they became totally against the British India Company. Ahwan par means when they called out. Satyagraha means movements where, they are working against the company. Andolan means movements. Hissa lekar means by participating. Bagavat par utaraiti means they became against them. They started working against them actually. प्रश्न 3. मुट्ठी भर आदमी मगर ये दम खम कथन से क्या तात्पर्य है? कारतूस के आधार पर लिखिए. मुट्ठी भर आदमी means a handful of people. मगर ये दम खम, but this much of strength and determination. Kathan say, from this statement, what does this statement mean? तात्पर्य है means what does this statement mean? इसका तात्पर्य है कि वजीर अली के पास मुट्ठी भर आदमी थे, अर्थात बहुत कम आदमियों की सहायता या साथ था. फिर भी इतनी शक्ति और दृढ़ता का परिचय देना कमाल की बात थी. Now, what this means is that Wazir Ali, he only had a handful of people with him. He had the support of only very few people, but still he had a lot of power and determination. And that was a wonderful thing about him. शक्ति मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ, दृढ़ता मीन्स डिटर्मिनेशन। सालों से जंगल में रहने पर भी स्वयं कर्नल, उनकी सेना का बड़ा समूह जो बहुसंख्या में युद्ध सामग्री से लैस था, मिलकर भी उसे पकड़ नहीं पाए थे। Now, Wazir Ali has been staying in the jungles of Ghagra for many years, but still the colonel, along with his big group of troops, army troops, and they were totally equipped with the war material in big numbers, but still, in spite of having all this, they could never catch Wazir Ali. उसकी अदम्य शक्ति और दृढ़ता को जीत नहीं पाए थे। they were not able to win his strength and determination in spite of having so many things with them and so many people with them. उस जांबाज सिपाही को पकड़ नहीं पाए थे। they have not been able to catch that brave soldier. अर्थात वह हर काम इतनी सावधानी तथा होशियारी से करता था कि उसके मुट्ठी भर आदमियों ने ही कर्नल के इतने बड़े सेना समूह की नाक में दम कर दिया था। This means that he used to do each and every work with so much of caution and with so much of होशियारी और cleverness, that just with a handful number of people he had become a big nuisance for the British colonel. नाक में दम कर दिया था, मीन उनको बहुत तंग करना, to create great difficulties for the colonel and his people. गर्द तो ऐसे उड़ रही है जैसे कि पूरा एक काफिला चला आ रहा हो, मगर मुझे तो एक ही सवाल नजर आता है, इसका आशय लिखिए। गर्द here means dust, cloud of dust. ऐसी उड़ रही है, it's flying as if एक काफिला means caravan, lots of people coming together. मगर मुझे तो एक ही सवार, only one rider नजर आता है, I'm able to see. What is the meaning of this? The colonel, he saw that there was a cloud of dust flying and he was feeling as if an entire caravan was coming towards their tent. But he could see only one rider. आशय, जब कर्नल अपने खेमे के बाहर बैठकर लेफ्टिनेंट से वजीर अली के विषय में बात कर ही रहे थे कि तभी उन्हें दूर से धूल का गुबार उठता हुआ दिखाई दिया, जिसे देखकर ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा था कि सेना का पूरा काफिला चला आ रहा हो। परंतु जब ध्यान से देखा तो केवल एक ही व्यक्ति दिखाई दे रहा था। Now, when Colonel was sitting outside the lieutenant's tent and he was talking to the lieutenant about Wazir Ali, at that time, from far away, he could see a cloud of dust and he felt as if an entire army battalion was coming towards them. But when he carefully looked, he saw that only one person was coming. What does it mean? It means that one person was equivalent to a big troop of army. दूर से means from far away. धूल का गुबार means cloud of dust. ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा था means it was looking as if. काफिला means caravan. सेना means army. ध्यान से देखा means when he saw with attention. वह अकेला ही पूरे काफिले के समान धूल का गुबारा उड़ाता चला आ रहा था। And Wazir Ali, all alone, he was, making the dust fly, the cloud of dust fly, and he was coming as if an entire caravan was coming towards them. प्रश्न 5, एकांकी कारतूस में वर्णित किन घटनाओं से पता चलता है कि वजीर अली अंग्रेजों से नफरत करता था और उनका कट्टर विरोधी था? Now, from Kartuz, which are the incidents which shows that he used to hate, Wazir Ali used to hate the British and he was strongly against them. Varnit means explained. किन घटनाओं से means with which, through which incidents. Nafrat means hatred और कट्टर विरोधी means strong opponent. आंसर, वजीर अली अंग्रेजों से नफरत करता था तथा उनका कट्टर विरोधी था. He used to hate them and he was strongly against them. अंग्रेजों को भारत से निकालना उसका एकमात्र लक्ष्य था. To kick the British out of India was his only purpose, aim or ambition. एकमात्र means only, लक्ष्य means ambition. इसके लिए उसने अफगानिस्तान के बादशाह शाही जमा को भारत पर आक्रमण करने का न्योता दिया. For this, he invited the king of Afghanistan to attack India so that they would support him in ousting the British out of India. आक्रमण means attack. न्योता means invitation. उसने सारे भारतवर्ष में अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ वातावरण बना दिया था. Now Wazir Ali had created a totally, an environment in India which was totally against the British. वातावरण means environment. खिलाफ means against. अंग्रेजों का पक्ष लेने वालों को वह अपना शत्रु समझता था. इसी कारण उसने कंपनी के वकील की हत्या कर दी. And those people who would support the English, he used to consider them as his enemy, and that is the reason why he killed the company's lawyer. Paksh lena means to support them. Shatru means enemy. वह सआदत अली को अवध की गद्दी से हटाना चाहता था और स्वयं उस पर कब्जा करना चाहता था ताकि वहां से अंग्रेजों को निकाल सके. He wanted to remove Saadat Ali from the throne of Awadh and he wanted to control that throne so that he could kick the British out of India. Gaddi means throne. Kabza karna chahta, he wanted to occupy that throne. प्रश्न 6. वजीर अली एक जांबाज सिपाही था. कैसे? स्पष्ट कीजिए. In this one I've already explained this answer, children. Now, प्रश्न 7. कारतूस पाठ के आधार पर वजीर अली की विशेषताओं पर सोदाहरण प्रकाश डालिए. Based on the lesson कारतूस, with example, tell the specialities of Wazir Ali's character. पाठ के आधार पर means based on the lesson. विशेषताएं means specialities. सोदाहरण means with example. प्रकाश डाली means highlight. वजीर अली की विशेषताएं, his specialities. देशभक्ति, he was a patriotic person. अंग्रेजों के प्रति नफरत का भाव, hatred against the British. स्वाभिमानी, a person who has a lot of self-respect. स्वाभिमान की रक्षा हेतु वकील की हत्या. And what did he do? In order to safeguard his self-respect, he killed the lawyer who orally abused him for nothing. जांबाज सिपाही, brave soldier. मुट्ठी भर सेना के साथ अंग्रेजों से मुकाबला. He competed with the British with just a handful of people, soldiers. मुट्ठी भर सेना means handful of soldiers. निर्भीक एवं निडर. He was totally fearless. अंग्रेजों खेमे में घुसकर कारतूस ले जाना. अंग्रेजों के, it should be खेमे, children. अंग्रेजों के खेमे में घुसकर कारतूस ले जाना. But how do you know he was fearless? Because he got into the tent of the British all alone and he got कारतूस from the colonel himself. नीति कुशल, very clever. अंग्रेजों के विरुद्ध लड़ने के लिए अफगानिस्तान के बादशाह को निमंत्रण. And he invited the king of Afghanistan to attack on India so that he could, kick the British out of India. किन्हीं 3 बिंदुओं का विस्तार पूर्वक उल्लेख अपेक्षित. Any 3 points we have to explain. वजीर अली एक जांबाज सिपाही था. उसने अंग्रेजों की ब्रिटिश कंपनी की सैनिक छावनी में निडरता पूर्वक प्रवेश किया और कर्नल से कारतूस प्राप्त किए। दिस आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन, सो आई एम नॉट स्पेंडिंग टाइम ऑन दिस। वह एक बलशाली साहसी नौजवान था। ही वॉज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेव यूथ, यंग पर्सन। बलशाली मीन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग, साहसी मीन्स ब्रेव, नौजवान मीन्स यंग पर्सन। उसने एक जांबाज सिपाही की तरह अपने प्राणों की बाजी लगाकर कारतूस हासिल किए। Just like a very brave soldier, he, risked his own life and got cartouche from the colonel. प्राणों की बाजी लगाना, to sacrifice one's own life. जान जोखिम में करना. It's a मुहावरा, children, so you have to make a note of it. उसके जाने के बाद कर्नल भी हक्का बक्का रह गया और उसकी हिम्मत और बहादुरी से अचंभित रह गया, जो उसकी जान बख्श कर चला गया। After Wazir Ali left the tent, even the colonel was left shocked. हक्का बक्का रह जाना means was left shocked. आश्चर्यचकित रह जाना। उसकी हिम्मत और बहादुरी से, looking at his strength and his bravery, heroic deed, even the colonel was shocked. अचंभित रह जाना means he was shocked. And this Wazir Ali, he had spared the colonel's life. So, because of all these things, the colonel was actually really impressed by Wazir Ali. Jaan bakshna means to spare his life. वजीर अली अंग्रेजों की हुकूमत को समाप्त करना चाहता था। वजीर अली wanted to end British rule. अंग्रेजों की हुकूमत means British rule. उसने अफगानिस्तान के बादशाह शाहजमा को हिंदुस्तान पर आक्रमण करने की दावत दी, and he invited the Badshah of Afghanistan, Shah Zama, to attack India so that it would help him in ousting the British out of India. Akraman means attack, Dawat means invitation. निम्नलिखित मुहावरों को अपने वाक्यों में प्रयोग कीजिए. You have to use them in your own sentences. आंखों में धूल झोंकना, that means to deceive somebody. चोर ने पुलिस के आंखों में धूल झोंककर चोरी कर ली. So the thief, it deceived the police and it stole something. He stole something. That is आंखों में धूल झोंकना, किसी को धोखा देना. कूट कूट कर भरना, to fill up with something. झांसी की रानी में देशभक्ति कूट कूट कर भरे थे. In Jhansi Rani, patriotism was, filled up. काम तमाम कर देना, to kill or to finish something. खत्म कर देना. बिल्ली ने चूहे का काम तमाम कर दिया. The cat finished the rat. जान बख्श देना, to spare somebody's life. देश के दुश्मनों की जान नहीं बख्शनी चाहिए. We should not spare the life of the country's enemies. दुश्मन means enemy, बख्शना means नहीं, we should not spare. हक्का बक्का रह जाना, to be shocked, और आश्चर्यचकित रह जाना. अचानक चाचा जी को सामने देखकर सब हक्के बक्के रह गए. Suddenly when they saw uncle in front, everyone was shocked. This is what it means. With that, we are finishing the questions and answers of the lesson Kartus. In case of any doubts, please do let me know, children. And in case you want me to explain it in some other way, also the questions and answers, please do let me know. Okay, and also let me know the lesson for which you would like me to explain the questions and answers. I will definitely upload the video as soon as possible. So take care and stay healthy.